Hi, in today's time, I thought it's quite relevant to talk about the cybersecurity and related challenges. We all know what are the kind of challenges being faced because of the advancement of technology, because of need of transparency and speed. All the data now is available, maybe at a consolidated place in a consolidated manner, thereby making it very very easy for anyone to cause maximum damages as far as some of these vulnerabilities are concerned. We all know about these recent instances where people have actually got into some of our websites, got into our systems, make some of those changes. In some places the impact was maybe minimum, but in many of the occasions it is a huge loss of credibility, loss of reputation, and the overall kind of question on the type of governance which is being sort of done in various kind of scientific as well as defense establishments. And that's why I thought it is very very relevant to have a mechanism to find out what some of these challenges being faced by various institutions, various government agencies, various defense establishments, and for that matter various corporates. KPMG is one of the pioneer sort of institution in this particular field. We have worked in this area, and this is one of our sort of effort to find out how people are being suffered, what kind of mechanism they have to sort of take care of some of these kind of challenges, and hence we have formed this particular survey, which I'm sure most of you would have seen, which basically is an effort to find out what are the kind of initial sort of issues which all of you would have faced, what kind of actions you have taken, what kind of plans you have, what budgets do you have, what is the level of mechanism which is in place, and so on and so forth. I'm sure you'll find this survey very useful, and hopefully once we have this data from everyone, we'll be able to sort of come out with our recommendations and help you in a much better way. Talking about cyber security survey, we have already circulated this survey to most of you, and you would have seen the kind of information which is being collected. I'll request and urge everyone to please take some time out and fill this survey so that we can come out with a meaningful outcome.